In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you guys how to send money on Revolut using your phone number. So first thing you want to do is open the Revolut app. Log into your Revolut account on your mobile device. You will log in with your phone number. Second step, go to Payments. Tap the Payments tab at the bottom of the screen. Third, start a new payment. Tap the plus icon or send. Fourth step, select recipient by phone number. Choose add recipient or find by phone number. Enter your recipient's phone number. If your contact is a Revolut user, they appear for instant fee transfers. If not, you can create a payment link using their phone number. They'll receive a link to claim the money, even if they don't have a Revolut account. Enter amount and currency. Type the amount you want to send and select the currency if needed. Then add a note. You can add a message or reference to your payment. 7th step, review and send. Double check the details, then tap send. This method uses only Revolut features, and this is fully legal and compliant with YouTube's terms of services.